Hello and welcome to 10 days of editing with small presets. I am Monica the Mom Dog and today is day 7 out of the 10 days. We've done presets 1 through 6 and today is going to be preset number 7 from the small preset pack. If you do not already follow me, please subscribe to my channel by clicking subscribe below and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, let's get going. I'm going to go ahead and push number 7. There it is. I'm going to straighten this image out a little bit because this is not straight. That did not work. I don't know what I did. There we go. Okay, I'm going to just adjust the white balance a tiny bit. I'm going to bring up the shadows a little bit. I'm going to come down here and get rid of the grain because I've been doing that with all of these images. And then we're going to come over here and see what some of these other adjustments do. There are some tone adjustments that come with this pack. Nature Love, and you can see them over here as I just hover over them. Nature Love, Cinematic, Romantic, Earthbound, Warm-Hearted. Through this series with this particular photo, I've used Romantic a lot. I really just like the tones in this particular photo. Here's just a few other adjustments that you can make: soft whites, soft blacks. I am going to go ahead and do soft blacks. Just kind of opens things up here in her face a little bit and some other areas, but I love her eyes because she's mine. So I want to see them. You could adjust sharpening. I'm not going to. I like where these presets are in terms of sharpening. You can mess with your grain here if you choose to. I just wanted it gone for today's purposes, but you could totally go in here and choose just to have a lot of grain. It's just a personal preference. And then I keep doing the lens profile for these because I like that. It cleans up a little bit of that vignetting that I get with my 35mm Sigma lens. Okay, and that's it. There it is. That is small number 7. I actually really like this edit a lot. Let's go ahead and take a look at all of them, starting with number 1. It was day 1, day 2, day 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I think this is maybe my favorite edit so far, which is interesting because it's not generally my favorite out of the bunch, but I might have to start using this one a little bit more. So there it is, day 7. This is preset number 7 from Small. Thank you for stopping by. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm at Monica_Brown_photos, and you can find me on my website at www.monica-brown.com. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you tomorrow.